Hey guys, I've been struggling for a little bit with my nano tank, my 24 nano tank. I've got a refugium kind of in the back with the callurpa and everything, and I've had a hard time with the lighting. Back here I'd put LEDs inside here, but they'd burn out. They're kind of hard to put in there, and then I had a thought. And I got these 3 puck lights from Home Depot. They're a dimmable LED puck light 3 set, and anyway, I got some hot glue. This on the nanos, this is just a vinyl plastic coating, and so I just took a razor, scraped that off. You can see the back side of the tank inside there where the callurpa is, and just kind of wired in this dimmable light. Took the hot glue, mounted it right to the back, and now I've got all kinds of light inside the refugium section, and that should grow that callurpa pretty good. So if you've got a nano tank like mine and you need to have kind of a DIY light setup, this would probably do you. So just 3 pucks. LEDs are pretty bright, and it is dimmable. You can put it on a timer, something like that, and make it work, guys. So yeah, good luck.